You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this word. This is the singular. The plural has a slightly different spelling and also a bit of a different pronunciation as well. So to make sure that you got it correctly, I've got a video for you just to make sure you pronounce it correctly. But stay tuned a second. This one is pronounced as metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. The stress is on the more syllable. Metamorphosis. Here's a video on how to pronounce the plural. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.